Electric toothbrushing. An electric brush comes in a variety of different kinds, and this video will focus on the oscillating or round-headed electric toothbrushes. How to use an electric brush. Electric brushes have different features that help improve the quality of the brushing. A removable head, a pressure sensor, a power button, different power modes, and a rechargeable battery indicator. When using an electric brush, you should always place the brush half on the gum and half on the tooth. Each individual tooth and gum should be targeted, and 4 seconds should be spent on brushing a tooth and gum surface area. When using an electric brush, angle the bristles down half on the gum, half on the tooth, looking in the mirror to make sure you have the correct angulation, letting the brush do all the work for you. Spend time brushing each section of the mouth so you don't miss any of the teeth or gums. Most electric brushes include a timer and buzz or change tone after 30 seconds, or pulse after 2 minutes has been reached, the optimum time for brushing. You should always aim to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Notice how the brush is always angled into the gums, allowing the brush to be at its most effective. Remember to brush the backs of the teeth and the inside, making sure the brush is tipped so the gums are being brushed as well as the teeth. One of the most difficult areas to brush in the mouth is behind the front teeth. Tilt the brush head vertically up, angling so the head of the brush touches the gums, cleaning the inside of the front teeth. Brushing the tops of the teeth is important, as this is an area where plaque and bacteria and food trap, which could cause tooth decay. Some electric toothbrushes have a pressure sensor. This is really effective when brushing your teeth, as it will flash red when too much pressure is being applied. Rough or hard brushing can cause trauma and wear away gums and teeth over time, which will never grow back. Remember to let the brush do all the work for you, and try not to brush back and forth like a manual brush, as you're working against the motion of the brush. Visibly splayed electric heads should not be used and should be changed. Electric toothbrush heads should be changed every 1 to 3 months, or if visibly splayed. Splayed heads do not have the firmness and will not brush as effectively. Remember, the electric brush is only effective when fully charged. If the brush has no charge, place it on charge and use a manual brush until fully charged. Do not use the brush without power. To recap, using an electric brush can be an extremely effective way of keeping your whole mouth clean. Brush twice a day, morning and night. Brush for 2 minutes, using the timer on the brush. Always remember, spit, don't rinse. Keep your brush charged. Let the brush do the work for you. Angle the brush on the gums and teeth, and change the head every 1 to 3 months. Pay attention to the red sensor or pressure sensor, and always use fluoride toothpaste.